So, you just got your first credit card. But wait! Before you start swiping away, let's talk about how to use it responsibly. Your credit card isn't just a free pass to buy whatever you want. It's a powerful tool to build your financial future, but only if used wisely. First things first, always pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Keep your spending within 30% of your credit limit to maintain a good credit score. And never, ever miss a payment deadline. Set up automatic payments or reminders if you need to. Lastly, review your statements regularly to spot any unauthorized charges or mistakes. Using your credit card responsibly can open doors to better financial opportunities, so make sure to handle it with care. Understanding credit cards. First, understand how a credit card works. It's not free money. Think of it as a short-term loan that you must pay back, ideally, in full, to avoid high-interest charges. When you make a purchase with your credit card, the credit card company is essentially lending you money, which you promise to repay by your billing date. If you only make the minimum payment, you'll accrue interest on the remaining balance, and that can quickly add up. So, to keep your finances in check and avoid unnecessary debt, make it a habit to pay off your balance in full each month. Always pay on time. One of the most crucial habits to develop with your credit card is paying your bill on time every single month. Late payments can hurt your credit score and lead to costly fees. Your payment history accounts for a significant portion of your credit score, so even one missed payment can have a negative impact. To avoid this, consider setting up automatic payments or reminders. This way, you ensure that your payment is made on time, even if you forget. Moreover, paying your bill on time can help you avoid late fees, which can add up quickly and put a dent in your budget. Additionally, consistently paying on time shows lenders that you are a responsible borrower, which can lead to better credit terms and higher credit limits in the future. Remember, responsible credit card use is all about developing good financial habits, and timely payments are at the top of the list. Pay more than the minimum. Only paying the minimum keeps you stuck in debt, and interest adds up fast. When you only make the minimum payment on your credit card, you're primarily paying off the interest, not the principal amount you owe. This means your debt can linger for years, costing you significantly more in the long run. By paying more than the minimum, or ideally, the full balance whenever possible, you can reduce the amount of interest you accrue and pay off your debt much faster. This practice not only saves you money but also improves your credit utilization ratio, which positively impacts your credit score. Additionally, consistently paying off your full balance each month demonstrates financial responsibility, which can lead to better credit terms and higher credit limits in the future. So, aim to pay as much as you can above the minimum to get out of debt faster and keep your finances healthy. Avoid unnecessary debt. Think before you swipe. While credit cards can be convenient, they can also lead to unnecessary debt if not used wisely. If you can't afford to pay off the balance soon, it might not be worth charging to your card. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you truly need or if it can wait until you have the funds to pay for it outright. Impulse buying can quickly add up, leading to a cycle of debt that can be hard to escape. It's important to set a budget and stick to it, ensuring that you're only using your credit card for purchases you can afford to pay off within a reasonable time frame. By being mindful of your spending and avoiding unnecessary debt, you can keep your finances in check and avoid the stress that comes with high credit card balances. Remember, responsible credit card use is all about making smart financial decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. To sum up, always pay on time to keep your credit score healthy. Spend within your limits to avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. Check your statements regularly to spot any errors or unauthorized charges. Use your credit card as a tool to build your financial future, not a trap that leads to debt. Remember, responsible credit card use is key to financial success. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs to hear this. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you in the next video.